Here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's got a bit of blue sort of fire through here, a bit of purple down here. Maybe cut it in 2 or maybe 3 pieces. Just cut it for the patterns. Bit of red here, bit of green over here. Blue streak running through here, bit of patch of purple there. If you wanted to, I suppose you could slice it this way. End up with some patterned pieces. If you do it that way, you end up with a fair few pieces, perhaps, rather than, it might look a bit more interesting than just having a bigger, lighter colour stone here. Anyway, it's given you a few ideas of what you could do with this piece. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.